Yes, hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper on Monday, May the 25th, 2020. In the additional, we have here a binary puzzle, the fifth puzzle. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Is the question. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 O's and 4 ones in a row or in a column. And no identical rows or columns are allowed. So let's get started. Alright. We have here a double O, here one, and there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Here double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones in a row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. And double O, 1 here, so here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. We have a double O here, so here and 1, there and 1. We have a double 1 here, so here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. And now, let me see. Between two ones comes an O. So we have a double O here, here and 1, there and 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 3 O. So this is number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O, so the rest are ones. Then we have 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have here 4 ones. That means the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then here, then I need to compare, I think. Let me see. Double 1, 101. Yes, this a row and the first a row. Let me compare. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So they are almost identical except these two digits. I need to switch them, otherwise if I place an O and here a 1, I have identical rows. So here we have an O, this should be a 1, and here and 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1, between two ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today. It will be, I think, a hard one. It's a tectonic Sudoku, aka Sudoku, because all those Sudokus before, the previous ones, there are no Sudokus that I can solve longer than 30 minutes. So I think this should be a tough one. I do not know, so we will try. I will see you in a minute. Bye bye.